Uddhav Thackeray.
Okay, now on the exit polls, what the senior leader of the Congress, Sonia Gandhi, had to say. She said, we have to wait, just wait and see. We're very hopeful that our results are completely the opposite to what the exit polls are showing. That's the senior voice, Sonia Gandhi, coming in from the Congress, entirely rejecting what it is that the exit polls from multiple different channels and agencies have predicted. She said it's a wait and watch moment for the entire country. So she's echoed in some ways what a number of other INDIA leaders have said. So in that sense, the message from the INDIA is united. Several senior leaders coming forward since yesterday, rubbishing what it is that exit polls have predicted and saying that it is important to follow what it is that the actual numbers will show. We'll just bring you more context. We'll have reporters joining us in just a second. But this is what Sonia Gandhi, senior leader from the Congress, has had to say. She's rejecting exit polls and she's mirroring what we've heard other senior INDIA leaders like Shashi Tharoor, like Rahul Gandhi, leaders from other parties like Arvind Kejriwal also say. Let's just go over to Shireen Elizabeth, our colleague, to join us. Shireen, Sonia Gandhi echoing what we've heard INDIA leaders say over the last 24 hours.
Well, that is right, and this is exactly what all the leaders of the INDA bloc have in fact been saying, that they are very confident. The exit poll, they have in fact been saying the real people's exit poll is with the India Alliance, and which is 295 plus. Now today, Rahul Gandhi along with Sonia Gandhi in fact arrived at the DMK office in Delhi, where they were in fact paying their tribute to M. Karunanidhi on his birth anniversary. And while she was speaking to the media, she has in fact, Sonia Gandhi has said that we have to wait and see, and we are very hopeful that our results are completely opposite to what the exit polls are showing. So very confident front that has been put in by the former Congress President Sonia Gandhi at this point, saying that they are very hopeful and the results will be opposite of what the exit polls have been showing. So this is the first reaction so far that we are getting as far as the election results are concerned from Sonia Gandhi, because so far we have seen how Rahul Gandhi, leaders like Shashi Tharoor, Jairam Ramesh have reacted. But this is the first time that we are hearing from the former Congress President Sonia Gandhi, who's been saying that the results are going to be opposite to what the exit polls are. The question, of course, which was asked to her was that whether they are confident to form a government, to which she said yes, they are very hopeful and the results will be opposite to the exit polls.
Not just opposite, completely opposite. Shireen, tell our audiences, we've heard from, as you said earlier, senior Congress leaders, other INDIA leaders who've essentially voiced exactly what Sonia Gandhi's had to say, that don't listen to what the exit polls are saying, wait for the actual numbers to come out. Shireen, just tell our audiences, which of the key leaders from the INDIA have we heard make these comments?
Well, a number of them. In fact, if you remember on Saturday when the India Alliance meeting was happening at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, there was in fact a meeting on how many seats and, an estimate. Each of the leaders have in fact come up with their own estimates as to how many of the seats will be won by them in each of their states. And, eventually there was a press conference when Mallikarjun Kharge said that their estimate, their exit poll is people's exit poll, and which is going to be 295 plus. And after which they have, in fact, we have seen, number of leaders, be it Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, or for that matter, D. Raja, Sitaram Yechury, all of them have, in fact, rejected the exit poll. They have, in fact, said that these are exaggerated numbers that are being shown in the exit poll. In fact, Rahul Gandhi went on to say that these are fantasy polls. Shashi Tharoor has, in fact, said that last time the exit poll has shown how they have won in Chhattisgarh, they have been winning in Chhattisgarh, but then ultimately the results showed that they lost in Chhattisgarh. So these are not really actual numbers that are being shown. So we have seen a series of leaders giving these statements against the exit poll. But today, for the first time, this reaction is in fact coming in from Sonia Gandhi, who was very much present in that particular meeting. We have seen how she was also showing victory sign after the meeting that was held at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. And today, while she was visiting the DMK office in Delhi, she has said that they are very hopeful of forming the government, and in fact went on to say that the results are going to be completely opposite to what the exit polls are showing.
We're just playing out for our audiences on their screens right now those visuals coming in from outside Mallikarjun Kharge's house. You could see on the left and right side leaders from across the INDIA alliance in that picture of unity. We're going to head into a quick break. On the other side, we're going to end the show. My colleague Avantika will be taking.